guys, welcome back to my channel. Again, I'm participating this month in the Look for Less challenge that is always hosted by Yami from the Latina next door, and she chooses a co-host each month, and this month her co-host is Casey from Coffee with My Sunshine. I'm going to leave the link to their channels in the description box. Please visit their channels. They are really creative. You will find a lot of inspiration there. You will also find the link to the playlist that will include all the videos of all the participants in the challenge, which will also give you a lot of inspiration. It's really worthy, to watch those videos. I enjoy them a lot. If you don't know what the Look for Less challenge is about, well, you have to find some piece of home decor that you like but that you can't afford, and try to recreate it spending less money. Windmills are kind of a must for farmhouse style decor, and I love them, but I was not able to afford the regular price, even the cheapest ones. This is the less expensive one that I found at Amazon. It is 15 inches wide in diameter. Here it is, and the price is $26.85. Too much for me. So I started thinking, how can I have my windmill without spending so much money? And I realized that I had some elements that I could use, except for the blades. So I decided to look on internet, and I found an image of a windmill that I really liked and that I thought would look great, printed with my printer. These are the blades that I copied from the windmill, and I rearranged them to fit all of them in one letter size page. This is regular cardstock, and I printed them with the setting of my printer in high quality. And then all I did was to cut the blades like this. Then I took my beloved liquid shoe polish from Dollar Tree in brown, and I started going all around the borders. To keep these blades like a rusted look. You can add more, less, whatever you like the most. Once I have all the blades cut, I use one of these Wreath from Dollar Tree. If you watch my previous videos, I use the outer hoop to make a spring wreath, so I ended up with 2 of these pieces. So from one of them, from this one, I cut the smaller hoop, which is this one. It's really easy. I forgot the pliers, but just forcing it a little bit with a plier, and I'm not going to be able to do it with my hand, but believe me, it's really easy. You can see here, sorry, you can see here that I just bent it a little bit, and the loop got loose and I could use it, the hoop, sorry. So I started placing all the blades on the loop, the hoop. My God, I always say the loop, but it's a loop. And then I started thinking, what can I use for the center? Well, I'm happy that I kept those old mini discs that used to come with some software when you bought a camera or some stuff like that. So I used one of those, one like this one, for the center. I spray painted it with this paint, which is Krylon, silver hammered, and this is the color I got. This is the original color, but again I used the liquid shoe polish to give it a rusted look. This is something that I found looking for a dryer to place in the center. I found this. I have no idea where this came from, but I thought, well, I like it, so I used it. This is a brad that I use for scrapbooking, and it has on the top pretends to be a screw, so that's what I use for the center. For the I don't know how to call them, these little things, you can use those wooden sticks. I didn't have them, so what I did, I took flowers and I cut the stems and I used them. As you can see, I use tons of hot glue just in case. Here is the first blade that I printed as a test, and then I decided I liked it, and then I printed all the other ones. But well, I used a lot of hot glue to adhere all the pieces together. I painted the hoop, not loop, with black paint, because it's dark green, the original. I think that it still looks, with this white light, it still looks like a little bit green. I may give it another coat of black. And that was absolutely it. It was really quickly, and absolutely inexpensive, cheap. And of course, if you look it really close, you realize that it's just paper. But when you look it from afar, as I always say, pieces of art have to be looked from afar. When you go to a museum, you don't get close to the painting. I have already placed it where I want it, and really nobody notices that this is not metal. Everybody thinks that it's a real thing, and it cost me almost nothing. I had this mini disc, I had the wreath, the hoop, I had the stems, I had the printer and the paper, I had the liquid shoe polish, I had the brush, so I spent almost nothing. And honestly, I think that comparing to the one that cost $26.85, I'm really happy. I'm really pleased with the result. And I tested it because I've asked people, oh, you look at my windmill. Oh, this is so beautiful. And when I tell them that this is paper, they don't believe it. They have to get close to it to believe it. So this is my Look for Less challenge DIY for today, for this month. Hope you like it. I want to thank the hostess for hosting the challenge. I really love this challenge, and it's a real challenge, and I will be participating in every one of them every single month if I can. So thank you so much to both of them. Again, please visit their channels, visit the other videos in the playlist. Give me a thumbs up if you like this idea. Subscribe if you haven't done it already, and ring the bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Also, I have to thank you, all of you, for watching, commenting, and being there and supporting my channel. And I hope to see you in my next one. Have a wonderful, wonderful day. Bye-bye.